again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Okay, Riley here. So today I'll be looking at wild caught fish within your aquarium versus that fish unit you have actually purchased at the pet shop, or that fish unit you have actually bred within your aquarium space, or that fish unit you have actually bred within your aquarium space. Okay, the question is being asked: can I actually treat both separately? Both the wild ones and those in which I purchased separately. Okay, let's start off with my aquarium fish. Aquarium fish is primarily bred within controlled environment, right? While fish is, as you all know, would be actually bred within the wild, right? They are nurtured to behave a particular way. Most wild caught fish are a little bit aggressive, more than, let's say, that in which you have within your aquarium. Okay, so I have several cichlids, live bearers at my home, right? Where I'm at right now, right? I'll be showing you some wild fish, some fish in the wild river near, well, should I say in Jamaica, not necessarily near me, right? But I have found that these wild fish are unique in color, unique in characteristics, and at the same time they require different different environments to live, or should I say they should not be tanked with those fish that are actually bred within captivity. Let me know what you think. Let's go to wild caught fish, the different species, should I say. Let's go to fish found in the wild in Jamaica. Let me know what you think below. Share in the comment section below. Let's move on. Cool.
I am still at the Wagwater River, right? And I'm looking at the natural, environment of the Wagwater River, right? And I'm looking at some of the fish. These first fish, they look like cichlids to me. To me, they look like Jack Dempsey. But the closer I get to them, is like the more they swim away from me, right? Noticing the water looks a little bit green, and the bed of the river is mixed with both sand and pebbles, with both large and small rocks, right? If you should look a little bit close to the fish, you see they have some markings at the side, which is not jaguar cichlids, because the markings are not like that pattern. It more look like Jack Dempsey. Now these are some dwarf, I can't call the name, but they are dwarf catfish, right? They suck off the rocks. Should I say they suck the rocks, the algae, they build up on the rocks. So that's one of the reasons why the rocks in this green water look so clean, right? But I featured them in a video before, which I actually share a few minutes looking at them swimming, right? They are very swift, and although the camera was able to get to a few feet towards them, it was a little bit challenging, because they swim very fast, and I was not geared up to go in the water, so therefore I was like standing up on a large rock with my underwater camera, actually looking at them. Well, it's a lot of them, over 100. Okay, so these are, I would say, these are wild mollies, right? It looks as if they actually have babies near this patch of algae, and they are more likely to the shore of the river. They really look very nice, healthy, very strong. But the unique thing about them is that they do not have bright colors like the ones in which you will get in the pet shop, right? They too are very swift and very difficult to catch, right? And they are very beautiful though, right? So talking about the whole idea of wild caught aquarium fish versus one in which you keep at home, I think the wild caught fish needs less attention than the ones that are bought at the pet shop, because wild caught are like, they have been natured, or should I say nurtured, to actually exist in the wild in really rough condition, while the ones in your aquarium, they are so sensitive that they die even if they have the same species. This is really here for another fish keeping Jamaica. Let me know what you think with regards to this video. Catch you next time. Peace out. Cool.